Hi, today we start with the input, process, output of a computer. The computer flow diagram, how your computer is working, and what are the devices are involved to go through and performing this cycle. Now discuss about this cycle, how it is happened. Your computer is working through the IPO cycle: input, process, another is output. So first of all, you have to give a input to the computer, then your processing is happened, then it is generating the output. So first of all, we're giving the input to the computer through the input devices like your keyboard, like your mouse, and other input devices it is present. And when you are giving a input, your input has stored in a storage device that you can say it is like your hard disk where your information has stored for further processing. Then in the storage device, after the information has stored, it is processed. Okay, then it is processed, then it is generating the output. Okay, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ନବା, ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜୁସ୍ ବାହାର କରିବା. ଓକେ, ସୋ ଆମେ ଆମ୍ବ ଜୁସ୍ କରିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ନର୍ମାଲି ଆମେ ଖରାଦିନେ ଜୁସ୍ ପିଇବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଉ. ତ ଏଠି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ଇନପୁଟଟା କ'ଣ ନେଉଛେ, ଧର ମୋତେ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଜୁସ୍ ପିଇବାର ଅଛି, ତ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋଟାକୁ ଆଜ୍ ଅ ଇନପୁଟ ନେଲି, ତାପରେ ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ପକେଇବି କେଉଁଠି ନା ଗ୍ରାଇଣ୍ଡରରେ ପକେଇବି, ଯେଉଁଟା ରହିଲା ମୋର ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍. ତାପରେ ମୋର ପ୍ରୋसेसिंग ହେଲା, ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ ରହିଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚକ୍ରି ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଟା କଟର ଅଛି, ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, ଫଳକୁ କାଟିବ, କାଟିକି ମିକ୍ସ କରିବ, ମିକ୍ସ କଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ମୋତେ ସେ ଆଉଟପୁଟଟା ଜେନେରେଟ୍ କରିବ. ତ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ରହିକି ସେ ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂଟା ହେଲା, ତ ସେଇଟାକୁ କୁହାଯିବ କଣ୍ଟେନର, ଆଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍. ନର୍ମାଲି ତୁମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କର ନା ଜିମେଲ୍ ଲଗ୍ଇନ୍ କର, ଫେସବୁକ୍ ଲଗ୍ଇନ୍ କର, ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଆମର ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ଟା ଯାଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟାବେସ୍ରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର୍ ହୁଏ, ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକେସନ୍ରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର୍ ହୁଏ. ସେ ଲୋକେସନ୍ରୁ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ, ଯାଇକି ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ସର୍ଭର ଅଛି, ଡେଟାବେସ୍ ସର୍ଭର, ତା ଭିତରେ ଯାଇକି ସେ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରେ. ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଇଡି ଆଉ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଦେଲେ, ସେ ଆଇଡି ପାସୱାର୍ଡ଼ କରେକ୍ଟ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର୍ ହୁଏ. ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ରୁ ଯାଇକି ସେ ଦେଖିବ ଯେ ମୋ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ. ଯେମିତିକି ନର୍ମାଲି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୋକାନକୁ ଯାଉଛେ କୌଣସି ରାସନ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଚିଠା ବନାଉଛେ. ତ ଚିଠାରେ ଆମର କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର, ଆମର କଣ୍ଟେନର ରହିଲା, ସେଇ ଚିଠା ନେଇକି ଆମେ ଦେଉଛେ କେଉଁଠି ନା ଗ୍ରୋସରୀ ସପ୍ରେ. ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆନାଲାଇଜିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷଟା ଚାହୁଁଛି ସେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ. ଯଦି ସେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ସେ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବାହାର କରିକି ଦେଉଛି ଆଉ ସାଇଡ଼ରେ ଟିକ୍ ମାର୍କ ମାରୁଛି. The computer is also working in that way. First, we are giving the input, ଆମେ କିଛି input ଦେବା, then inputଟା ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକେସନରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର୍ ହେବ, ସେଇଟା ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ ହେବ, ତାପରେ ସେ ମୋତେ ଆଉଟପୁଟଟା ଜେନେରେଟ୍ କରିବ. So that is called as the IPO cycle, and it is a you can say flow diagram of a computer. तो इनपुट स्टोरेज डिवाइस, इन स्टोरेज डिवाइस रे हमर कंट्रोल यूनिट अछि जोटा कि हमर कंट्रोलिंग हवा वैल्यू. देन मोर डाटाटा प्रोसेस होला परे आउटपुट डिवाइस रे मते आउटपुट एठी शो करिवो. The input device, so what are the input device we have? The unit contain the device with the help of which you enter the data in the computer. The unit create a link, the link between the user and the computer. The input device translate the information into a form understandable by the computer. The different input device is called mouse, keyboard, and scanner. The input device टा हमर कौन कौन अच्छी ना, we have the mouse, we have the keyboard, we have the scanner through which we are giving the instruction to the computer. then when you are giving a instruction to the computer, as you think the computer understand your language? No. Computer is a electronic device. It is only know the 0 1 format. ଯେକୌଣସି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ କେବଳ ଦୁଇଟା ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ହିଁ ବୁଝନ୍ତି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍. ଅଫ୍ ଇଜ୍ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ as 0, on is represented as 1. Then ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ instruction ଦେବା computer को, then that instruction is given in the form of 0 and 1 format. मते 0 और 1 format रे ही दबाको पड़िबो. तो आमे जो instruction देले, जो command देले by using of different programming language through रे आमे instruction दबा, जेमति कि क्वचित तुम जानती हो there is a different languages are available for giving a instruction to the computer like C, C++, Java, Python. So these are the different languages are there. जेमति कि हमें different languages जानिचे for communicating to other. We are using Hindi, we are using English, we are using Odia in our regional part. So that is the main reason we are using different kind of language for communicating with each other. Now, for communicating with the computer or for giving an instruction to the computer, we required some kind of programming language. We are giving an instruction. So computer doesn't know that programming language. Computer कौन सी language जाने नहीं. आमे जो input दबा computer ताको processing करिवो in the 0 1 1 format, then computer से 0 1 format ताको ही बुझी पारिवो. So that is for giving that instruction we are using different input device, that is your keyboard, that is your mouse. So these are called as the different input devices. Then CPU. The CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. The CPU perform all type of data processing. It stores the data intermediate result and instruction. It controls the operation of all the part of the computer. CPU itself has following component. One is arithmetic logical unit, memory unit, control unit, and storage unit. The CPU contain ALU, memory unit, control unit, and storage unit. So when you are giving a input, so it should be processed. गोटे प्रोसेसिंग हवा दरकार. से प्रोसेसिंग कोठी हबो ना सीपीयू रे हबो, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट रे. आ भितर कोन अछि ना एएलयू अछि, एरिथमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट. जदि जोटा कि हमें कोनोसी एरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन दबा कंप्यूटर रे किछि काम करिवा पई, तो एठी एएलयू काम करिवो. मेमोरी यूनिट अछि एठी, तो व्हिच इज स्टोर द इनपुट डाटा, व्हिच इज आल्सो स्टोर द after processing what is the result you want. So that result is also giving you by using of that memory unit. Some kind of control unit is there which is controlling your instruction. तो सबो instruction टा control करिवा दरकार. जेमति कि हमें मानि नवा आमे जेतबे टिकेट पाई जिबा कोनोसी टिकेट काउंटर रे, तो सेठी हमें कोन देखिबा लाइन बाय लाइन है कि कोनोसी मूवी जेतला ओकेजन थाए, दुर्गा पूजा ओकेजन हो, रज फेस्टिवल or any fast day fast show movie, when we are going to there we are stand in a queue. So basically लोक माने गोटे धाडी रे ठिया होती, जनक पर जणे नहीं होती. So there is a person is there who is judging you, and if you buy the cricket match ticket, there is a police people is there, they are guiding you, and they are checking that you are obey the proper rule or not, or you are in the queue or not. The control unit is like that. Whenever you are giving an instruction to the computer, the control unit is controlling all kind of instruction, that it is verifying you that the input that you are given, so you are getting that output or not. माने मु मैंगो जूस देली मते मैंगो जूस मिलला कि नहीं. So that control unit is checking in that way. Okay, now I, move to that. arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit is a complex digital circuit, or ALU is a complex digital circuit, one of the many components within the computer central processing unit. It performs both bitwise and mathematical operation on the binary number, and it is the last component to perform the calculation in the processor. The ALU uses the operand and the code that tells it which operand to perform for input. After the information processed by the ALU, it's sent to the computer memory. Multiple arithmetical logical unit are in CPU, GPU, FU. In some computer processor, the ALU is divided into AU and LU. AU perform the arithmetic operation, LU perform the logical operation. Okay, so arithmetical logical unit, ALU. One is AU, arithmetical unit, and logical unit. That is, some of the system, it is combined in the two part. Okay, সেটা divide ହେଇଯାଏ. ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି normally ଆମର AU ଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ LU ଥାଏ. ଗୋଟେ perform କରିବ arithmetical operation, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ perform କରିବ ତୁମର logical information, ଯୋଉଟା କି ତୁମର logic ସିଏ check କରିବ. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ଦିଟା number ବଡ଼ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ, so we are giving a condition, so it will also checking that logical part. So we can say the arithmetical logical unit, it work on the arithmetical part. It is processing your information or processing the arithmetical part, so that this arithmetical logical unit is present. Control unit, or it called as the CU, is a circuitry that direct the operation within the computer processor. It lets the computer logic unit, memory, both input output devices know how to respond to the instruction received from the program. Example of the device that utilize the control unit include CPU and GPU. The control unit is responsible for working with all hardware system. You can say आमे जेतेबेले प्रोग्रामिंग थ्रू रे कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन दवा, तो को डिवाइस कौन काम करिवो, तांकर को प्रोसेस करिवो, सेटा कंट्रोल यूनिट ही डिसाइड करि थाए. नॉर्मली गोटे छोटे एग्जांपल नै जिबा हमें, जेतेबेले गोटे मशा तुमको कामुडुची, तुमरो नर्व जाय कि ब्रेन को मैसेज दोची that somebody is hitting your body. Then the brain is decided what to do. मु आउ गोटे हाथ रे मारिबी कि से हाथ केनते हलै देबी से मसारा पळेइबो. तो ब्रेन इज डिसाइडेड एट दैट टाइम. जेतला हमें पूरा सोइबा अवस्था रे थाउ, निस्तेज अवस्था रे थाउ, मसा कामुला गोडो. देन कोन करिवो, उठी की मारिया पे निद भांगुनी, तो गोड रे हडे दवा न कुनी दवा. So that is what your brain is decided at that time what to do. The similar way, central processing unit is called as the brain of the computer. It will decide the instruction that it is getting from the computer. Computer जो instruction से पाइला, program through जो instruction से पाइला, से कौन करिवो, से hardware को से enabled करिवो. जेंते कि मु गोटे computer रे print command देली, ताले print से कोडी बाहर करिवो, से चेक करिवो मो पाखरे printer गोटे install अछि कि नै, गोटे hardware अछि कि नै. जदि मोर हार्डवेयर टा अछि, से हार्डवेयर पई गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर थिवो प्रिंटर पई, से सॉफ्टवेयर टा इंस्टॉल अछि नै. अछि जदि ए प्रोग्राम कोन करिवो ना, प्रिंटर रो जो प्रोग्राम अछि इंस्ट्रक्शन दबो कि मते मिलिला कमांड प्रिंटिंग करिया को, तो प्रिंट बाहर कर. That is enabled the what other devices, that is called as the control unit. That is the work of a control unit. कैमरा ओपन करछे, से देखो कैमरा जेतारा में से स्विच टा ओपन करछे, से इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलगा कि मते कैमरा टा ओपन करिवार अछि. मु से पडे बैक कैमरा करि परिबी, से इंस्ट्रक्शन मार के पुनी फ्रंट कैमरा सेल्फी नमार अछि, फ्रंट कैमरा आनी परिबी. So that I am giving an instruction to the computer, so that the computer is behaving in that format. Now I move to the next part. storage unit. The memory is essential component of the system unit. It includes the set of electronic components that store the instruction, data, and information. The instruction in the memory are those waiting to be executed by the processor, and that data is one needed by those instruction, and those information is one obtained as a result of processing the data. The storage unit रे कौन होगा? Storage unit, or it is called the memory unit, is a essential component of the system unit. It includes the set of electronic component that store the instruction. आमे एई instruction टा देले किबा आमे जो ब्लूटूथ ऑप्शन टा चूज करूचे ताले मोर ब्लूटूथ टा इनेबल्ड होउची मु जते बेले वाईफाई टा चूज करूची मोर वाईफाई टा इनेबल्ड होउची तो ये कौन करे गोटे सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन रखे मेमोरी यूनिट so it contains the set of instruction, and when you are giving the instruction then the particular work is performing. Okay, so storage unit re moro set of instruction ta contain karibo. This instruction in the memory are those waiting to be executed by the processor. The processor is executing से instruction ta ko किए काम करेबो सेटा होची हमर प्रोसेसर रा काम. ओके तो इंस्ट्रक्शन रहिला देन प्रोसेसर कहिबो जे मु को समय रे को कामटा करिवि. ओके सी डिसाइड करिवो. देखो जते बेला हमको गाड़ी चलेबार अछि हमें हाथ रे हैंडल धरुचे खाइबार अछि ब्रेन इंस्ट्रक्शन दउची एटा नै कि पाटरे बसा जते गाड़ी चलाउचे से कहबे एक्सीलरेटर टा मोर जते हम फोर व्हीलर पखो पळे आसे से कहउची जे तो स्टीयरिंग टा मोर तो ब्रेन इज डिसाइडेड what to do and what is the work of your hand on the particular situation. So that is called as your what the instruction that is processed. Okay, by the instruction is predefined or it is what previously stored in that memory. Say instruction गुड़ा का memory रे store होची जेते बेले से control processing unit रो instruction पाई जाउची सेते बेले से instruction टा execute होकी चालू जाउची. Then the memory consists of one or more chip placed on the motherboard of the computer. The basic item that stores are software for controlling and maintaining the computer and devices. तो आ भीतर किसी सॉफ्टवेयर भी रहउची मेमोरी यूनिट रे जोटा कि हम वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग करूचे हमर वॉइस प्रोसेसिंग करूचे हमें वीडियो चैटिंग करी पारुचे वेबिनार नै पारुचे एंड ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी करी पारुचे. The information about the tasks that need to be performed, data being processed and the information obtained as a result of processing. So data ta को processing करिवो जो result आसीबो ताको से store करिवो. There are two type of memory present inside the system unit, that is volatile, another is non-volatile. Volatile memory is a temporary and it is loses its content when the computer is power up or turn off. On the contrary, non-volatile is a permanent and it doesn't lose its content with the power is turn off. गोटे होची volatile गोटे होची non-volatile. Volatile means at the time मु मन रखिली मु आज गोटे जिंस करूची एटे मन रखिली पुणी नेक्स्ट को भूली जीवी. सपोज आमे गोटे गेम खेलुचे 5 दिन पूर्व गोटे गेम खेलले गोटे व्हाट बैडमिंटन गोटे गेम खेलुचे कि क्रिकेट मैच गेम खेलुचे. ओके जो सांग मान सहित कौन से टीम सहित खेलुचे तो मु एबे मु चिंता करिबा आमे आमे वी आर इन अ स्टेज दैट यू पास्ट of your playing if it is about like 3 to 4 years 4 years back करे तमे ता प्रथमे क्रिकेट बैट धरतला प्रथमे केते रन करतला very difficult to remember. It is not like international match, all the scores are recorded, and when the player is coming, it is showing you the past match is this and total score is this. The computer is to store ହେଇନି ଏଟା କୋଉଠି store ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଆମ ବ୍ରେନରେ store ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଖେଳୁଛେ ବାଜି ଲଗେଇଛେ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜିତିଲେ ବଲ୍ ଦଫା ନହେଲେ ପଇସା ଆସିବ ବଟ୍ ସେଇ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ମତେ ସେ ସ୍କୋରଟା ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଥାଏ ତାପରେ ମାସେ 2 ମାସ 3 ମାସ ସ୍ଲାଇଡଲି ମନେ ରହିବ ତାପରେ it is completely gone out from memory but चिंता करियो जेतेबेले कोनोसी क्रिकेट मैच हुए इंटरनेशनल मैच हुए सबु खेलाड़ी रेकर्डटा स्टोर होगी थाए प्रथम मैच ठार आरंभ करी सब मैच गोटे रेकर्ड होगी थाए कंप्यूटराइज होगी थाए तो जोटा आमे खेलिले आगुआ आगुरु खेली पिला बेले से जो स्कोर आमे माने करिथिले क्रिकेट मैच रे so that we are not remember so that is a volatile and जो स्कोर टा जोटा कि इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर माने खेउचंदी सेटा रेकॉर्ड हे रही नाउ टेल मी क्वेश्चन से क्रिकेट मैच लेफ्ट इट दैट क्रिकेट मैच do you know what is the score you are getting in the first half yearly test of your class your schooling career really means it is 0.0001% so nobody remember that but you remember what is the percentage you are getting in the 10th in plus 2 in what in your schooling or in your college okay but if I asking you can you remember that in the 7th class first unit test what the score you are getting again that is not recorded which one is recorded and which one is the used your matriculation result is counted it is stored you are getting the mark sheet of this you are getting the certificate of this then it is remembered it is memorized but other mark if you ask me also okay so that's why that the thing where only it is what that information is only valid for the particular time and we are remember that value is called as the volatile because we remember then we forget another is non-volatile which is permanently stored in the memory that is your mark is stored in a pen and paper or in a database that is a permanent similar way कंप्यूटर रे जिते बड़े हमर कोनोसी एप्लिकेशन हमें ओपन करिवा से जो एप्लिकेशन ता हमें ओपन करछे धर वर्ड ओपन करूछे डिफरेंट एप्लिकेशन हमें ओपन करूछे जेमते कि मोबाइल फोन ने तमे व्हाट्सएप यूज करूछो फेसबुक ओपन करूछो से एप्लिकेशन ओपन हवा पई किछि मेमोरी दरकार होई थाए से मेमोरी को हमें कोन कुआ जाय रैम कहू हमें ताले कम माने सिस्टम मोबाइल किनु ना हमें चारो केते रैम अछि कोन पई रैम अछि बोली पचारो हमें मल्टीपल एप्लिकेशन ओपन कले भी हमर एप्लिकेशन ता हैंग होबने त हमें जत्ते एप्लिकेशन ओपन करिवा से किछि किछि मेमोरी नबो से एप्लिकेशन को प्रोसेस करिया था सेति पई जत्ते रैम अधिका हेतिवो तुमे कोन करिवा एप्लिकेशन ता जत्ते ओपन कले भी स्लो होबने आ सेई जो मेमोरी ता से एप्लिकेशन ता नहीं थाए से तो स्पेसिफिक टाइमिंग पे तमे देखिवो एतरा ओपन करिवा एप्लिकेशन चेक करिवो फ्रेड मेमोरी गोटे एप्लिकेशन थाए जो क्लीन अप मेमोरी गोटे एप्लिकेशन थाए तमे एतरे सब एप्लिकेशन ता बंद करि देबो जेतरे तमे बे 10 12 एप्लिकेशन ओपन करो एबे तुमरा मोबाइल सेटिंग को जाय कि चेक करिवो देखिवो मेमोरी केते ऑक्युपाइड अछि पुनी सेही एप्लिकेशन गुडा को सब बाहर कर दबो काटी दबो देखिवो तार मेमोरी आरो केते कम होई so that is called as the what RAM means for the particular timing से एप्लिकेशन को रन करिया पई जति की मेमोरी दरकार तो मु ऑक्युपाइड कली जते बेले मु फोन ता बंद कर दोउची पुनी से मेमोरी ता फ्री हे जो RAM work is like that so that RAM you can also call as it is a volatile memory and किछि इंफॉर्मेशन अछि जोटा कि हमें कोन करूचे ना स्टोर करूचे कोठी आमर डेटाबेस रे जाके स्टोर करूचे परमानेंटली आम डेटाबेस स्टोर करूचे तो से जगह आम ताको कहबा कौन ना इट इज ए नॉन भोलाटाइल डाटा एटा भोलाटाइल डाटा नुहे ओके होप this is clear to all then in that we have the primary storage device is a medium that hold the memory for short period of the time while a computer is running although it has a much lower access time and faster performance it also about the two order of magnitude more costly than the secondary RAM and cache are both example of the primary storage device. These images show the three different type of storage of the computer, like key difference from other devices and directly accessible by the CPU. One is volatile, another is removable. So here we are using what? RAM. Okay, it is called as a primary storage device. For running an application, we are using this RAM. कौन से एप्लिकेशन को रन करिया को हेले हम एठी RAM यूज करिया ओके सो से एप्लिकेशन जो करेंटली रन करिया पई तार मेमोरी दरकार ताले जाके से रही सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज होची alternatively referred to as a external memory or secondary memory or auxiliary storage. A secondary storage is a non-volatile device that hold the data until it is deleted or overridden. RAM रे कौन होतला ना जेते बेले हम एप्लिकेशन टा ओपन करूचे किबा हमर सिस्टम शटडाउन होची एप्लिकेशन टा क्लोज करि दउचे सेते बेले से मेमोरी टा फ्री होची एटी सेकेंडरी रे कौन हबो तम मेमोरी टा तम जेते बेले डाटा टा को डिलीट न करिছে जे पर्यंत जाय से पर्यंत मोर कोनसी वैल्यू डिलीट हबो नै the external memory secondary memory you can also call as a it is a auxiliary memory or your card mobile card then in output you need after the your information has processed then you have to generate the output for generating the output we are using the different output device जेमते कि हमें कहि परिबा your monitor is output device printer is the output device so after the instruction is processed so it is generating the result so generating the result you require the output devices okay so here we are using the different output devices like your TV screen then your monitor then your sound box you can say it is a printer so these are all belongs to this output unit okay the second part is covered then in the next class we have to move the different input and output devices hope you understand this part and in this session we learn about the flow diagram of how the computer is working and in that flow diagram what are the devices are present in the input unit in the processing unit and in the system unit how your computer is working in the next class we go for what are the devices that is used for this input output and processing unit part thank you